Almost every drone can take off. Far fewer can land exactly where they should every time. Hi, I'm Dr. Qamar. Precision landing sounds simple until you need repeatable, reliable docking in real conditions. The topic matters because precision landing is the bridge between a drone flight and a reusable aerial system. If your drone must return to a small charging station, a vehicle roof, or a compact mission pad, landing accuracy becomes mission critical. PX4's ecosystems already reflects this need through VTOL mission modules and integration paths for more advanced autonomous behaviors, while practical landing systems and experimental visual landing stacks show how the field is trying to push from ordinary return to home towards centimeter level repeatability. There are also strong warnings from experimental vision landing projects that pure vision landing is still risky if treated casually, which is exactly why this remains a serious engineering topic, not a solved feature. The real challenge is that the final meter is where everything becomes difficult. For example, we have wind gusts, we have bad lighting, marker loss, then we have camera angle shifts. Then we go to the moving platforms, depth uncertainty. Then what that means is this: the precision landing is not just a vision problem anymore. It is a precision plus control plus fallback logic. My 2026 view: the drone systems that scale will not just fly well, they will finish the mission cleanly, and that means landing with confidence. Thank you.